everyone. So I'm going to apologize because I was on the last item of a haul from Softflex Company, a small haul, and I was going over what all this is, and then I realized my screen went dark, and it's because it wasn't recording. Anyway, so yeah, what are you going to do, right? So this, what you're seeing in front of you, is what I got in a free Christmas mini design kit. I think they were having something like if you buy $49 worth of stuff, we'll send you a free kit. I forget. And then I had a $5 off coupon also for this order. So this is what I got in the mini design kit. I got another 10 feet of the garnet color 49 strand 0.019 medium beading wire, so that's really nice, garnet red. And then also these what appear to be tiara cast wreaths in silver antique, and they're really pretty and double-sided. I'm not going to take them all out. 2 ear wires and a lobster clasp, probably both silver plated, and 10 2mm by 2mm crimp tubes, which are probably sterling, because that's what they sell. They could be plated, I'm not sure. And then this whole bag of beads, which was in here, and then all of it was in this bag with a snowflake on. So just a real quick summary. I mean, you can pretty much see these look like check glass, and they have they're a smaller version of some ovals that I bought recently, and they're like concave on both sides, and they have like a sunburst design in them, which you can't really see very well there. So they're my favorites, I think. You got 2 of these sort of matte red leaves. We've got some faceted rounds, 1 larger one, some smooth white rounds, some interesting gumdrop kind of beads, but the hole is what they call top drilled. It goes side to side, so they would hang down like this. So they're interesting, and they have a finish on them that makes them look like they're clear green on one side, but they're like almost like an iris finish or an AB on one side. So they're different. One kind of a tube bead thing, some clear, I guess they're slightly AB finished rounds, some white sort of marquee oval because they're kind of pointier at the ends, but they're nice glass rounds, a red round, these 2 like saucer red rounds with some AB finish on one side, a little green heart, an AB crystal flower, and 2 itty bitty little ones here that are nice to use as like bead caps. That's probably what they call them. Some green saucers and a couple odd size white saucers, a whole bunch of clear little crystals, and a bunch of these little silver, I think they call them pinch beads. I don't know, I've never had those before that I recall anyway. And some little tubes, a little red heart, and some little red saucers, a bunch of them. So yeah, lots of things to play with in the free mini Christmas kit. There's some more bicones that are like a frosted green, or almost like an aqua color, and these little ovals here are like an aqua color. And there's a bunch of them, and some of them have AB on them too. Anyway, you get the idea. Lots of neat little beads to play with and make something for Christmas. I may be holding on to this till next Christmas because, yeah, I don't know how many more Christmas items I'll make this year. We're kind of late in the season here. So anyway, I wanted to show you that, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you the rest of what I got. Alright guys, some really not as interesting stuff, but stuff you need. GS Hypo Cement has that fine tip, and it's good for putting on your silk and satin cord or your knots inside your clamshells. Dries clear, stays clear, seals not, stays flexible, it says, and won't bond to your finger like some other glues will. Anyway, yeah. And then I got these magical crimp forming pliers. Crimp forming tool transforms 2mm tubular crimps into round beads, and they have instructions on the back, and I have watched Sarah Ayler do it, and I thought that would sure save on trying to put those finicky crimp beads on, because it turns your tube, it crimps it, and then it, if you can do it right, it turns it into what looks like a round 2mm bead. And I thought that would be cool. So I'm going to give that a try. Some people have a difficulty with it, so we'll see how I do. I don't know. And then if you saw me do the white Christmas design kit, I showed the unveiling. It came with one of these spools of white quartz color, 49 strand, 10 feet beading wire in medium. It's 0.019, which is medium. But 49 strand is ultimate flexibility, basically. So it even says you can tie knots with it, not tying stainless steel. I don't know that I do that, but I got more of the white because mine is half gone from the kit. And then also, if you saw the prize that I won from Softflex in a separate video, they had given me as a gift antique brass color metallics, and I actually had some on order, but their prize came before the order came. I ordered this all on December 2nd. And I think the kit, I think it was something like if you order $49, you get that free, and free shipping, I think, too. Anyway, these were $20. The glue was $6.11, which to me is outrageous. I probably need to shop local for glue, but anyway. Each of these were $7.89 a piece for 10 feet each. And then I bought one other thing, which was this Econoflex Softflex, except this is the wrong thing. I ordered Pro Econoflex 49 strand 0.019 30 feet, and they sent me the non-Pro, which is only 7 strand. And I didn't realize it. I started getting ready to, like, I wrote the price on it and everything and the date I ordered it. I was getting ready to put it into my jewelry business inventory, and I realized it was only 7 strand, and that's not what I ordered. My receipt even says 49 strand. So I have an email into them, but it's Saturday, and I'm sure they won't see it until Monday at least. So we'll see. I just told them I would keep this if they just refund the difference, because I don't want to get into having to ship it back to them all the way in California the way the shipping is right now. So, but it's like, the one I ordered was $13.99, and this one on their website is $3.79. So there's definitely a difference, and 7 strand kinks faster than 19 or 49 strand, but the one I ordered was the 49 strand. But the economy version, yeah, I can tell this kinks. I mean, I just put my fingernail there and see how it kinks. And I don't like that, because you get kinks in your necklaces and bracelets and it doesn't look nice. So, but I'll keep it for practice pieces or whatever, or give it to my grandgirls or something if they'll discount, just give me the money back. And I have enough other beading wire that I can make do with my other stuff for a while. And that is it. That's all I have for the Softflex haul. The Christmas mini kit was the thing I wanted the most, and these pliers, and more of the white. Well, at the time, I didn't realize I was getting a prize with the antique brass, but I'll always use that. I love that color. So, and the white is really pretty for Christmas, and also I think in winter, and I think it'll be really nice for summer designs too that use white. So yeah, that's why I wanted more of that. All right, everyone, that's it. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.